ang daming taong may acne. Means, alam ko na yan. Pero ang tanong, bakit wala pa ring resulta? Alam mo, real leaders, they never stop learning. Kahit gaano pa sila katagal sa industry, they stay teachable. Kasi ang growth mindset, hindi lang yan para sa mga baguhan. It's a lifestyle. Learning helps you evolve in the mindset, in the heart set, in the health set, in the business set, and even in your purpose. Pero kapag sinabi mong, alam ko na yan, di ko na kailangan yan, you block the very thing that will evolve you. You block the very thing that's supposed to elevate you. Tandaan mo, being a lifelong learner is not a weakness. It's humility. It's wisdom. And it's how leaders stay relevant and impactful. So, let's drop the pride, stay open, stay hungry, and keep on growing. Kasi, ang tunay na leader, hindi tumitigil matuto. This is V. Sabulao, aka Eagle V. I rise, I transform, I lead. See you at the top. God bless. Bye!